Bagunara, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you say. How are you all? Emi chestunaru. Say some answer in Telugu. Meru ella unnaru sir. Waiting for class. Okay, fine. Very good, very good. So how are you doing? Great. YouTube people say hi. Zoom people waiting for your teaching, sir. Okay, thank you. What about you, sir? I'm also good. Feeling little bit hot here. Vintunam, how are? I'm good, beta. I'm good. Only feeling little bit hot here. Actually, I'm from cold place, so that's why here I feel little bit hot. Little bit more hot. I'm from colder region. I haven't told you that I'm from where. Any guesses? Place name. Any guesses? Are you from Ladakh? Some people are saying I'm from Ladakh. Nice guess. But no, I'm not from Ladakh. Oh, somebody saying Himachal, Himalayas, J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, Australia. So many names you are getting. Distance. Oh, somebody to Antarctica, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, nice. I'm actually from Himachal Pradesh. Okay. So tell me what we have studied yesterday. Fast. What we have studied yesterday. Today we will do problem based on it. Say it fast. What we have studied yesterday, beta. Everyone. Oh, it takes some time. Whatever I ask, it takes some time to get your comments. Like someone are saying still the previous question that I have asked, that I'm from where. Position, displacement, distance. Very good, very good. We have studied position, distance and displacement. So today we will do more problems. Yes, but I'll tell you about the homework question. Today we will do more problems based upon distance and displacement. You have studied distance and displacement. I'm good, beta. आप कैसे हो? हो गया बेटा ये. Tell me. Everyone understood distance and displacement? Are you ready for the more questions? Are you ready or not? Ready, sir. Yesterday I have given homework that is very easy. Okay. So let's start. So yesterday that homework question I have given, that was very easy, I think, for you. Everyone has done. I'm just writing it again. This question you have already done, I think. Here was the point. And it was, I forgot the coordinates. What was the coordinates of this point? The distance was 4 and 3, beta. I think this was 4 and this was 3. Am I right? Just say once. This is the point you have to find. Object has moved first along x-axis and then object has moved 3 meters in this direction. And what you have to find here? You have to find what is the displacement. Getting answer for distance is a bit confusing, sir. Can you please explain distance again? Yes, beta, don't worry. I'll explain right now. Don't worry about it. See. So what was the concept for displacement, beta? For displacement, there was a one formula, final position minus initial position. But in this problem, position is not mentioned. Position is not mentioned. So that's why in this case, what we have to do? What was the definition of displacement? We were having the shortest distance. How I can get the shortest distance? I have to draw a straight line from initial point to final point. This is the displacement. Which one is the actual path? First it went from O to A, then went to B. So what is the actual path? This is the actual path. This is the actual path. So if I want to get the displacement, what do I have to do? Displacement is OB. So displacement here, very easy. Am I right or wrong? Pythagoras. How many of you know about Pythagoras? You have studied in 10th class? Very good. So it will be what? Under root of 3 square plus 4 square will be equals to 5 meter. What will be the displacement? 5 meter. How can you say it is the initial position, beta? In the beginning I have told you motion is starting from here. Object has started motion from here and then it has moved through this path from here to here and here to here. So the actual path covered by the object is what? OA plus OB. But the displacement will be what? Does it depend upon path? No. It does not depend upon path. It depends upon what? Initial and final position. So here we are not using formula. What we are doing here? Just drawing a straight line between initial and final position. Understood or not? Give the thumbs up. Understood? Now let's talk about distance. So distance will be what? Now what is the actual path? Is it OB? Does the object travel through OB? No. Object traveled from where? O to A, then A to B. So path will be O to A plus OB. What will be the answer, beta? 4 plus 3. This is the answer, 7 meter. Any confusion? Any confusion in distance and displacement? Very good, very good. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Beta, who is saying 4 plus 5? Sushmita. Why you are saying beta 4 plus 5? Where is 4 plus 5? This is the distance. 4 plus 3. Right? Very good, very good. Let's do one more question. I will ask one more question. See here, the question is very simple. Imagine if I am throwing this pen in the upward direction. Oh, sorry. Thank you. It is not OB. This is plus AB. Thank you. Sorry. So next question you are having. Question number 2. Write the question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is saying, imagine you are throwing a ball in the upward direction. What you are doing? You are, beta, why you are asking this question? For displacement, why we can't use final minus initial formula? Okay. Tell me, do you know the final position here? Is along the x-axis? No. Here there is no final position is given. No initial position is given. MSD beta, are you listening? So that's why there are two ways to calculate the displacement. There are two ways. One is the formula final minus initial position and another one is the geometry method. In geometry method, what we need to do? Final point, initial point. Doesn't matter the path. Draw a straight line. That will be the distance. Yes, beta. Sometimes we use Pythagoras. It's okay, no problem in that. We can use. So two formula. One is two methods. One is final minus initial and another one is beta, those who are messaging here now, please don't message to each other. Please focus on the concept. Very easy concept. Try to listen it carefully. So the next question you are having what? You are having object here. This is the ground and you are throwing a ball from here. Sometimes you throw ball in the upward direction, na? So similarly, you are throwing a ball from here in the upward direction, and the object is going up and reached at the topmost point, then again came back. Then the object again came back and hit the ground. If the height up to which it has gone, that is 100 meter, again very simple question. Find what you have to find. Find the displacement and distance covered by object. Distance and displacement covered by the object. This thing you have to calculate. Use it. You two people, you also answer fast. Give the answer fastly. What will be the answer? So what is happening here? Distance 200 meter, displacement 0. Very good. Here in this question, let's talk about displacement. Now from where the object started? From here. See, if I throw this pen, again it is coming back in my hand. So it started from here. See, going up, going up, going up, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, and reach the same position. So that's why in this case, final position is equal to what? In this case, final position and initial position is what? Initial position is same. That's why what will be the formula for displacement, beta? What will be the formula for displacement? Tell me fast. What will be the answer for displacement? It will be 0. It will be 0. And what will be the answer for distance? What will be the answer for distance? So in distance, it covered. First it bent. Imagine this point A and this point B. So there will be two ABs. First it bent up, then came back. So distance will be, can I write AB plus BA? AB plus BA, both the distances are equal. So answer will be 100 plus 100. What will be the answer? 200 meter. Answer will be 200 meter. Very good. So I think everyone have understood when we are having two cases. Sometimes displacement S. Okay, you can use any symbol if you want to. So the formula for displacement is final minus initial, and for distance you have to see the path covered by object. Until you don't know the path of the object, you can't calculate the distance. Understood everyone? For displacement, initial and final, either you draw a line between them or you can use the formula depending upon. Beta, why you are asking, Kishore Yadav, why you are asking for equilateral and isosceles triangle formed? Have I taught here about the isosceles and equilateral triangle? Irrelevant. Don't ask irrelevant questions, okay? Right now we are not studying that thing. Please stay focused to distance and displacement problems. Very good. Shall I come to next problem? Very good. Now next problem is something like this. Next question, you are having something like this. You are having a circle. You are having a, kahan gaya circle? This is the circle you are having. Now what is happening in this circle? An object started its motion from point A An object started its motion from point A and the radius of this circle R is 5 meter. Radius is 5 meter. Radius is 5 meter. Object started its motion from point A and reached the point B, then point C. Point C is directly opposite here. Point B is making 90-degree angle. So what you have to find, object is moving in anti-clockwise direction like this. From here in circle it started its motion from A, going like this, B, crossed B, reached C. This is how the particle is rotating in a circle. So what you have to find, beta, who is this Charan? Charan beta, I will wait for your reply now. For here you have to answer for this particular question, distance and displacement. Be ready. So in this question, I'm going to ask you, find the displacement, find the displacement and distance covered by object when it will move from first portion, from A to B. It is moving from A to B. When object is moving from A to B, you have to tell how much displacement is happening and how much distance it is covering from A to B. Second portion, A to C. A to C you have to calculate. Fast everyone, try to solve the first part. So the question is, object is moving from A to B. How much displacement? Object is moving from A to B. Then in that case, how much displacement and distance it is covering? Second portion of this question, it is moving from A by this path to C. How much distance and displacement it is covering? Fast everyone. Do it fast. Displacement 5√2. Here 5√2. Do it fast. Very good, very good. Come on. Very good, you can do. 2.5 pi. Don't change the pi beta. Leave the answer in pi. It is okay if you keep the answer in pi. It is okay. Need not to change. 5√2, 10 meter. 5√2. I am asking only for the first portion, A to B. First portion B are solving beta. A to B. What will be the answer? 5/4 pi. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So let's see. In first case, this is the circle. Object is starting from where? Okay, I'll take the shape here. Circle. It is starting from where? From here, A point, and this is B point. Both are making how much angle? In circle, how much angle has covered? 90 degree. Now, what is the actual path covered by the object? This is the actual path covered by the object. So this will be the distance. But first we will calculate what? We will calculate the distance. So for distance, what we gonna do? Draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. This is the straight line for the displacement, yes or no? For displacement, what is the initial position, beta? The initial position of the object is here. See, A is the initial position, B is the final position. So here x final, x initial is not given. So what is the best way to calculate the displacement? By drawing a straight line. I want to get the length of this straight line. What will be the answer then? So this radius is what? R, and this radius is what? This is also R. So use Pythagoras. What will be the answer? Under root of R square, Pythagoras, perpendicular square plus base square. Base how much? R. Perpendicular R. Answer will be what? Answer will be what? R square plus R square. What will be the answer? Root 2 R. What is the value of R you are having? 5 meter. What will be the answer then? 5 root 2 meter. Understood or not? Now it's the time for distance. Calculate. This portion is the distance. This arc is the distance. This is the distance in this case. Calculate it fast. Calculate it fast, beta everyone. Very good, very good. 2.5 pi. Keep it in pi. Don't put the value of pi. Just keep it in pi. Very good, very good. I'm seeing some answers. Very good. Tell me the answer fast. Very easy. So for distance, tell me. Very good. 25. Okay. See here. For distance, is it covering the whole circle? No. How much portion of circle it is covering? That is the answer. How much portion of circle it is covering, beta? See, in how much fragment this circle I can divide? See? How many fragments I have divided? All 4 equal parts. So now, the circumference of circle is how much? To calculate the distance here, I have to divide circumference of circle by how much? Circumference of circle I have to divide by how much, beta? 4. What is the formula for circumference of circle? What is the formula for circumference of circle, everyone? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is the complete distance. 2 pi r is this complete distance. Divide it with 4. 2 pi r divided by 4. What will be the answer? It will be pi r by 2. What is the value of r? What is the value of r? Answer will be 5 pi by 2 meter. Need not to change. You can also say 2.5 pi. You can also put the value of pi 22 by 7. But need not to put any value. Just you need to understand the concept. Now, fastly do the second portion. First calculate the displacement A to C. In second part, beta, calculate the displacement from A to C. Very good. Do it fast. Everyone, very easy now. So in second case, you'll be having what? So in second case, what you have to calculate? Displacement. From where it is starting its motion? It is starting from A and ending its motion C. How much displacement this time, beta? How much displacement this time? This diameter is basically the displacement. Am I right or wrong? Actual path covered is this. This is the actual path covered. So in this case, in B part, displacement will be what beta? Displacement will be this diameter from here, initial position, this is the final. Draw a straight line. That will be the answer. And here this will be radius r, this also radius r. So what will be the answer? R plus r is equal to 2r, that is 10 meter. Right or wrong? Because radius how much given? 5 meter is given. I hope you understood it very well. I hope you understood it very well. So the displacement everyone has understood. Now tell me the answer of distance. Very good. Go for distance. Everyone beta. Once you have developed habit of solving the question in the class, it enhances your confidence and it helps you to grow in physics. The major problem student feels in physics just because of they don't want to solve. They just want to listen. So make a habit of solving. Very good, very good. Everyone is answering. I'm liking it. Very good everyone. So distance here will be what? Distance here will be circumference of the circle divided by how much fragments I have to divide. In how much fragments I have to divide the circle? 1 or 2? 2. Very good. So it will be what? It will be 2 pi r upon 2, 2 cancel, and answer will be pi r. What is the value of r? 5. So answer will be 5 pi meter. Very good. Shall I ask one more question? C part. That I haven't written over there. I'm writing it over there for complete revolution. Third part I'm adding for complete revolution. For complete revolution. Tell me what will be the answer for complete revolution. A particle is completing one revolution. Tell me fast everyone. Very good, very good. What will be the displacement? Displacement will be, for complete revolution, displacement will be everyone has given correct answer. Very good, very good. But someone is saying 20, someone is saying 10, majority is saying 0. Just hold on to displacement. I will ask the distance later. First tell me displacement. Nobody's answer should be wrong. Everybody should be answer correct. Very good. Answer is coming 0. It means I hope whatever I wanted to teach you, you have understood it very well. Displacement everyone has understood very well. I liked it. It means object started its motion from here, see, and again reached back the same position. Started from here and ending here. So initial and final position same na. So what will the answer? 0. What will be the distance? What will be the distance? Tell me answer fast. How much distance it is covering? Very good. Quick. Tell me answer. Quick, quick, quick. Only distance. No displacement now. Only distance. Those who are saying 20 meter, they are wrong. I want exact answer. Exact mean in terms of pi. Need not to put the value of pi. So see how much distance it is covering, beta. Dekh. Actual path. What is the actual path? This is the actual path. This is the actual path the object is covering. Imagine yourself covering, going in this circle. So the distance will be equals to what? This time whole circle is completed. So it means circumference. this time. And circumference of circle, how much? 2 pi r. What is the value of r here? What is the value of r here? Radius is given 5 meter. So what will be the answer? 10 pi. So those who have got a right answer in these three, clap for yourself. You can clap for yourself in the chat box. Your choice. I don't know, is there any this kind of feature in the chat box or not? Whatever the thing you want to do, you can do for yourself in the chat box. Very good. You can send this. This side too, you are sending so many claps. Very good. So I think this much portion of distance and displacement, let's increase the level little bit above. So in your childhood days, you used to play games. From level 1 it started. Then you reach the level 2. Now we are going to jump to the level 3. So I'll ask, thank you beta for these nice comments. Your class is very nice. Thank you, thank you. So I'll ask very not simple, little bit good question. Little bit good question I will ask. What is happening? Now, if you are able to solve this question, it means your previous mathematics is also very good and your thinking power is also very good. From the question that I'm going to ask you right now, that question is actually good question. Earlier question, the concept I have taught you. Now the little bit good question I'm going to ask. So here is the circle you are having. Again circle. So if you see the previous problems, in previous problems, all the cases angle were multiple of 90. Means first case A to B 90 angle, then 180, then 360. Imagine if the question came like this. A particle is starting from point A and reached point B. Particle started its motion from point A and reached point B and covered an angle of theta. How much angle it had covered? Theta. It is covering how much angle? Theta. So what you have to find here, the radius of the circle is r. Radius is equal to r. What you have to find? Find the displacement and distance. Displacement and distance covered by the object in moving from A to B. This is the question. How much displacement and distance it will cover if it is moving from A to B? Super excited to your question, sir. Okay, now do. Let's see whether you will be able to. I'm giving 1 more minute. Displacement equal to 360 into 2 pi r. Oh, better don't. Okay, distance you can also write. Your choice. It's better if you first calculate the. Okay, I'll give you option. Your choice, whatever you want to answer first. Distance or displacement, your choice, whatever you are comfortable in. Your choice. Distance, somebody the theta into 360. Theta divided, very good. Distance, Yogi has distance equal to root 2 r. No beta, distance is not root 2 r. It is not 90 degree. Not root 2 r. Theta pi r by 180. Pi r by 180. I think that is also correct. Distance students are getting right. What about the displacement? Anybody? YouTube? Tell me displacement. Distance, so many students telling the right answer. Tell me displacement. I am repeating, displacement is not root 2. displacement is not root 2 and distance, some students are saying right answer AB 2R. So many students. Hi everyone. Fuck, why you are saying hi everyone? Don't say hi everyone, just tell the answer. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r, distance. Very good. Oh, Ramya Deepak has said some answer. 2r sine theta by 2. Okay. Now somebody has already given the displacement answer also. Very good. Why somebody comes in random message you give? Hi guys. Okay. So let's see here how we will get the displacement. So what is the concept that I have taught you for displacement? Is there any positions is given here? No. So what is the best method that we can do here? By drawing a straight line. What we can do? By drawing a straight line. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw a straight line from A to B. This is the straight line I'm going to draw. This is the displacement that we have to calculate. Now how I can get this displacement? No beta. So see here what I'm going to do. Imagine if I split this triangle into two equal halves. Can I split? What will happen if I split this into two equal halves? What's going to happen? This theta will become what? If I divide, so I'm doing the modification here. What modification I'm doing here? Just see carefully. Nobody will answer now. Stop messaging. Stop writing. Just focus on the screen, everyone. Nobody will do anything now. Only my explanation. Listen it carefully now. Whether you have got the answer or not got the answer, listen it carefully. See here. So what I did, I just drawn this line. This line is basically representing displacement. I want to get this somehow. So what can I do? What I am doing, here was the angle theta. I am drawing a line from here. So this angle is becoming theta by 2 and the lower angle is also becoming theta by 2. So technically if this is theta by 2, this is also theta by 2, this is becoming r. This is becoming r. This is already r. This is center. I have done nothing. I have just drawn a line from here to here. This is my displacement. This is actually I want to calculate. And what I did, I just draw a perpendicular line from here, which cut my angle into two equal halves. Earlier angle was theta. Now it became what? Theta by 2 and theta by 2. Everyone understood? So this is the point C. This is the point C. Now what I am doing, now from here they are what? Concurrent triangle, means they are same. If you do the calculation for above triangle or down triangle, it is just like my hands. They are overlapping, same size they are having. This distance equal. This distance equal. This is also. So this is a concurrent triangle that you have studied. Now, if I take any one of the triangle, I am taking which triangle? I am taking this triangle. This is point O, this is B, and this is C. This angle is theta by 2. And this, now which distance I want to calculate? Which distance I want to calculate? BC. I want to calculate here BC. So this is a right angle triangle. Do you know trigonometry? Trigonometry you have already studied now. Trigonometry you have already studied now. So tell me from here, sine, what is the angle here? Theta by 2. What is the angle beta here? Theta by 2. Now, what is the formula of sine theta? Perpendicular upon base, right? No. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here what is the perpendicular? BC. What is the perpendicular? BC. Am I right or wrong? BC upon hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse here? OB. Am I right or wrong? So here BC will be equals to what? BC will be equals to what? OB sine of theta by 2. Now tell me the value of OB. Very good. Somebody is saying yes. The side which is opposite to the angle is known as perpendicular. So this is the angle. BC is the opposite side. So this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. For your kind information, sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is the formula. So BC is perpendicular, hypotenuse is OB. So OB will be what? What is the value of OB? So BC from here, because OB is equal to R. So what is the answer? R sine of theta by 2. So beta, what will the answer we will get? Now displacement will be what? Since BC is equal to what? BC is equal to what? BC is equal to AC. Why? Because both the triangles are concurrent. Both the triangles are concurrent. Whatever this distance, same this distance. This also same, this also same. This is common. So that's why AC is equal to BC is equal to 2R sine theta by 2. Both are equal and the total displacement will be what? And what will be the displacement we will get in this question? Sum of AC plus BC. Oh, sorry, here I have written wrong. Here it will be R sine theta by 2. So what will be the answer beta? AC plus BC. What will be the answer? R sine theta plus R sine theta. What will be the answer? 2R sine of theta by 2. This is the displacement. I hope everyone understood. I hope everyone understood. Yes or no? Give me thumbs up. You have understood what I did. I'm explaining it once again. Listen it once again carefully. Those who don't understood, listen it again. These are the 2 points. Drawn a straight line. Then cutted the angle theta by 2. Both the triangle are concurrent. Took the one triangle here, theta by 2. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. Sine theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine, here angle is theta by 2. Perpendicular is BC. Hypotenuse OB. This I did. So BC become cross multiply. OB came here. OB sine theta by 2. OB value how much? R. OB value R. R sine theta by 2. Why we should not use Pythagoras? Very good. Someone is asking, sir, why didn't we use the Pythagoras here? For Pythagoras, radius you know. Do you know this distance OC? Do you know this distance BC? Then how will you use? Two unknowns are there. Neither you know this nor you know this. That's why. Understood? Understood why we are not using Pythagoras? Pythagoras we can use in those triangle in which two sides of the triangle is known and third is unknown. Here, neither OC is known nor BC is known. Here, OB was known and angle. So that's why, what is the thing that I bring here? Trigonometry. But I brought here beta trigonometry. Very good. I hope you understood. Now distance. For distance what will I do beta? Unitary method. This will learn. There is angle. Okay beta, for For distance, how much portion it has covered? See, if I take here this much portion, this is theta. Okay. For 360 degree, how much distance it cover? For complete 360 degree, it covers how much? How much distance it covers? While calculation of distance for 360 degree, it covers how much distance, beta? 2 pi r distance. How much it covers? 2 pi r. For 1 degree, how much it will cover, beta? For 1 degree, how much it will cover? Unitary method, 2 pi r by 360. How much angle I am having? How much angle I am having here? For theta degree, what will be the answer? It will be theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. Very simple. In previous question, for first case, theta was 90 na? So it was 90 by 360. 90 by 360, what will be the answer? 1 by 4. 90 by 360, what will be the answer? 1 by 4. For theta 180, what will be the answer? 180 by 360. 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Pi r. We have done this question already na? Previously we have done, beta, yes or no? Theta 90. Ye dekh. So now these questions, here how much theta it is covering? Here how much theta it is covering? See how much angle it is covering? 90. Can I do this question with the help of that question? What about the distance? Can I do now? So the question that we have discussed, now try to do at your home by yourself with the help of this question. 3 portions. Do with 3. With the help of what? With the help of this formula. R 2r sin theta by 2 and this distance. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Understood or not? Shall I ask one more question? Yes, beta sir, this is the formula, is perimeter of sector. Very good. Perimeter of sector. You have studied in small classes, perimeter of sector. One very good question I will ask. Shall I ask or leave? 5 minutes it will take. Sir, इतना मुश्किल question कहाँ से लाते हो sir? I have told you, in the beginning you were feeling, oh, very good. It was very easy. After solving, I think you will feel, leave sir. Okay, you are saying leave, still I will ask. You don't have a choice. It will come in the next exam. Yes. So next question you are having, 4 or 5 number I forgot. I don't know whether I should ask or not, but usually I discuss in my offline class. So that's why I'm asking the same question. Yes sir, it is difficult. Okay beta, once you again see the video, what I have explained, you'll understood. But I think it was not that much difficult. You have done this experiment sometimes. Beta, optics question I'm not gonna ask here. That will be once you will come here, then we will study. Okay, how many of you have drove the tire, cast tire or cycle tire in your childhood days? Thank you beta, big fan of your teaching. Thank you. Tell me, how many of you raise your hand fast? Tire, have you played with the tire in childhood days like this? You will ask, sir, which kind of question, which kind of games you are playing in your childhood days? Sometimes as a kid, we do so many things, na? Who has thought the things that we used to play in our childhood days? Somebody will ask question from there. So I will ask very simple question from here. The question is something like this. There is a point at the bottom, and what you have to find, this tire is rolling. This tire is rolling on the surface. Rolling, you understood na? Rolling, how will I show? Imagine this is the bottle. Ye dekh. So this is a rotation. This bottle is going like this on my hand, rolling. Now beta, rolling friction I'm not asking. Very simple question. This is the mark, yellow mark on your tire, and the question is find the displacement of the point at the bottom of the tire for half revolution if it is rolling on the surface. Sir, is it your bottle? Yes, beta, it is my bottle. So you understood the question? It will, this point, this is the point, it will cover half revolution. You have to, it will rotated by half revolution. Half revolution, you understood? Half revolution, you understood, na? Imagine this is the bottle you are having. See, this is the bottle you are having. This is revolving, but it is not moving from its position. It is revolving. Okay, so that's why this is a revolution. But tire never stays on a position. It will move like this from here. So it is covering how much? Imagine here is a point at the bottom. So what is happening to that point? This is the point here. See, this is how it is moving. From here it started and it is going like this. So from here, point will come up. You have to calculate how much displacement will happen. Somebody saying, sir, please explain Hindi. Sir, all. Haan, beta, this is a good question. That's why I have told you in the beginning. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Two R, somebody saying 2R diameter. Okay, let's see. So imagine a particle is starting from here. If this point is marked here, once this will, it's a tricky sir. Yes, beta. Tell me, when this will roll, this tire will remain here or it will move somewhat forward? Remain here or move forward? Fast. Move or remain here? Move forward. Very good. So, when it will cover half revolution, this, when this will cover half revolution, it will reach somewhere here, yes or no? It will reach somewhere here. Am I right or wrong? Now tell me, after covering half revolution, where this point will be? Up, middle, after half revolution, where this particle should be? Up or down or middle? 3 options: down, middle and up. Where this point will be? Very good. Very good. So, problem you have understood. Initially, where is the particle? Initially, this is the initial position. And this is what? Final position. This is what, beta? Final position. This is initial, this is final. Next, what we have to do? To calculate the distance, now tell me, sorry, displacement. What we have to do? No formula will be using here. What should I do? Fast. Straight line. Very good. No wait for the Pythagoras. Draw first. Points initial and final known. What is the next step? Can I use the final position minus initial position? No. Because I don't know the final position and initial position. So what can I do here? Between these 2 points, draw a straight line. Very good. Draw a straight line. I have drawn straight line, yes or no? I have drawn straight line, yes or no? So it means in this question, if I want to calculate the displacement, I want to know the length of this straight line. I want to calculate the length of this straight line. How can I calculate? Guess. Think about it. Muhammad Ali says, sir, displacement. Yes, beta, correct answer. So, I don't know this length, but I know this length. Tell me what is this, beta? What this length is? I'm writing this point A. I'm writing this point B. This is initial position. This is final position, straight line. This distance BC is what, beta? This distance BC is what? This distance BC is what? Everyone tell me fast. This distance BC is what? Is the diameter of circle. What is the diameter of circle? 2r. What is the diameter of circle? 2r. Very good. What is the diameter of circle? 2r. So, and this line is making an angle of how much? 90 degree. Making how much angle? 90 degree. BC is making 90 degree angle with what? AC. Oh, from here I come to know BC. This is 2r. If I know AC, can I use Pythagoras? Bas beta, time completed. I know. Just wait for 2 minutes. Let me finish the problem. So AC is what? This is the thing that you have to calculate. That is the tricky portion here. How will I explain? अब bottle से कैसे explain करूं? Imagine when the particle is rolling. Like I'll try to explain it without. Now the most important part came here, beta. See here. Now this distance I'm telling here. This distance is half of the circumference. That is pi r. Now, how did I come to know this distance is pi r? So listen it very carefully. So imagine, see, this is my hand. On this hand, if you see, when this object is rolling, so what is happening? So when object is rolling, the hand is touching this portion. Imagine it like a thread. Imagine it like a thread. What will happen? The point C, this point will come down now, beta. If you open it like a thread, imagine this is the bottle here. This is the bottle here. So what is happening? If you open it, because this will roll here, na? This will roll here. See, this will roll here like this. So whatever the periphery of this, you have to unbind it because it is rolling over the surface. Ye dekh, it is rolling. See, rolling over the surface. So due to that, what will happen? This distance will become what? This distance is pi r. Why I have taken pi r? Because this much length, half revolution, how much length? Semicircle length, how much? Because beta, it is only covering how much revolution? Half revolution. So only how much revolution of circle is getting covered? Is touching this point. This A point is reaching topmost, and this topmost point is reaching where? For half revolution. This topmost point is reaching where? The bottommost. It is reaching where? Bottommost. So that's why, can I use Pythagoras for displacement? Arey tell na beta fast. Then what will be the displacement? Use the Pythagoras. Here displacement is what length? Which length? A, B. A, B is equal to under root of, whose under root? Use the Pythagoras. AC square. It is what? AC square plus, what is this distance? What is this distance? BC square. Now tell me AC how much? AC will be pi r whole square plus BC how much? BC how much? 2r. BC will be 2r square. What will be the answer then? It will be, what is the thing that I can take common from here, beta? It will be r square. So r square, it will came out, it will become r. It will become r under root of what? Inside what left? Pi square plus what is that 2 square? It will be 4. This is the displacement AB. I'm explaining once again. Last time, listen it carefully. What happened in this case? Once again, that famous boy. Beta, why you are, answering so many irrelevant things? See here, what actually is happening. When this is rolling, what is happening? A point reached where? Once again, listen it carefully. Yes, but I'm sharing the QR code. Don't worry. From A point will reach. A point has reached where? A has reached B. Drawn a straight line. Drawn a straight line. That is displacement. Then this topmost point, when it will roll, when this will roll from here, what will happen? When this will roll from here, this topmost point reached where? This topmost point reached where? Bottom. Down. Very good. So that's why it is just like a thread. Imagine it a thread and unbound it. So whatever the length of this half circle, that is pi r, that will be this length AC. That is this length AC, pi r. And this is, everyone can understood, this is the diameter of circle. That is 2r. Pi r and 2r. And this is hypotenuse. So everyone know when you are having a right angle triangle, two sides known, everyone can use Pythagoras. So third, AB is unknown side. So it will become what? AB is equal to under root of AC square plus BC square. So it will be pi r square plus 2r whole square. So answer will be r into pi square plus 4 meter. This will be the answer. Now whatever the value of r, is this formula derivation? No beta, this is not a derivation. Imagine r value 5 meter. R is 5 meter. So you'll get the answer 5 into under root pi square plus 4 meter. AC again. Beta AC, listen once again. If you are getting confused, sir, maja aa gaya, thank you. Listen it once again. I know. In this question, the only problem is AC part. Because you are not feeling. Imagine. Do this experiment at your home if you can do. Take a thread and bound it around a circle or you can say sphere, cylinder. Bottle is the best example of cylinder. So what you can do? Take this portion, imagine it like a thread. Ye dekh. I'll show you. Ye dekh, this is the thread. You can imagine it like a thread. Ye dekh. It's a black color. Now what is happening? You are unbounding it. Feeling or not? This is actually the thread. Actually, this is the thread and you are unbounding it. It is becoming, this is actually pi r. So when this is actually rotating, so what is happening? Do this experiment with the ball. So this is basically this length, pi r, half. So what will happen? Imagine you are opening it. When it is revolving, you are opening it. And it is becoming straight. Because finally point was initially here. Now it has reached bottom. So it is how it has came down when you are unbounding this thread. this thread will, stick with the surface. So this distance will become pi r. Okay, पसीना डाल दिया यार तुमने इसे explain करते हुए. This is literally little bit confusing, but once you understood, you will remember this forever in your life. Very good question it is. India to Vijayawada, famous boy. Beta, why you? Thank you, sir. Bye. Nice explanation. Okay, beta. Bye bye. Thank you very much. I am sharing the QR code here. Your QR code is preparing to export. And thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. Enjoy. Study. Have fun. Bye bye. Take care.